going to show you how I make my, I got a really nice little side dish that I just love to have, and sometimes I just eat it, quite simply, I just eat it plain. And it's green beans, mushrooms, and a little onions. And I love it together. And I just saute it all up, and it's wonderful. So that's what I'm going to show you what I do. There's a little olive oil in my pan. Now I want my pan to get a little bit warm before I put everything in there. And actually I'll bring you back when it's good and hot. I'm all set now. I just had to let it get nice and warm. And anyway, you can hear those starting up there. Let me put the mushrooms in here. And this will wilt down. This stuff is wonderful. And then I've got some little green onions here that I'm going to put in there with it. Okay? This is wonderful. So with that, oh my goodness, I can never open this. Hang on, I'll be right back. Go ahead and have Mr. Wayna open that one. That one was a booger. Okay, I'm going to put a nice, good rounded teaspoon. Actually, I might put a little more than that because I love garlic. And that's minced garlic. Put that in there. I got to have a little of my fresh cracked pepper. Okay, just a dot of salt. A little bit of my parsley, and that, friends, is all I put in there. Actually, it'll work better if I use this. Turn that down because I want this to saute, and then I'm going to put a little dot of water in it and I'll let it steam wilt. Because I like my veggies still a little on, you know, tender crisp. I don't like mushy veggies. So anyway, with that, I know my pan will be hot. I'm going to put a little bit of water and a lid on that. See there? And that is going to be wonderful. That'll work real nice, just like that. So I'm going to let that cook for a little bit, and then I'll bring you back and show you how it's doing. Okay, friends. Here we go again. Turn this around. Oh, those are wonderful. Alright, now I'm going to leave that lid off to get rid of some of that water. And then what it's going to do is it'll cook them down a little bit more, and then they'll be like tender crisp and wonderful. So I'll leave that lid off a little bit because those vegetables are giving off quite a bit of juice. And then I put some extra in there. So, right there, we're going to let it cook just like that for a little bit. And you know what? Sometimes I have this over rice too. This stuff is wonderful. It's low calorie, so, you know, if you're watching your weight or whatever, and you like mushrooms, onions, and green beans, they're wonderful together. And even at other times, I'll put in a little slivered almonds in there. Fantastic. You just season it with salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic, olive oil, and you got a nice little meal. So we're going to let those cook a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, friends, these are done, and all the juice you see is cooked out of my beans and my mushrooms, and they're tender crisp still. My mushrooms are done, but my beans are still, or they're cooked tender crisp, and they're done. I'm going to serve my pay-up. Look at those. Those are beautiful. And they're not mushy. They still have some life in them. And this is really a good meal if you want to have a meatless meal, or even if you're a vegetarian or even vegan. This is absolutely wonderful. So there you have it. And it is budget friendly because the mushrooms and the green beans were on sale. So I've got this meal for just not quite $2, and I got enough for 2 meals. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.